Hi guys, welcome. My name is Jessica. Today I'm going to be doing a simple everyday makeup look and sharing with you guys a few products that I got at Target and CVS. So if you guys want to see this simple makeup look and what I got, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so let's get started with this simple makeup look. I also want to share with you guys a few products I just got, so like a little mini haul. I got some stuff at Target and at CVS this past week, and I'm gonna incorporate them into the makeup look that I'm doing today, which is just like a very simple, almost very no makeup look. Let's go into what I got this past week at CVS and at Target, and then we'll jump right into the makeup tutorial. So the first thing, so I got just a few things, you guys, nothing like crazy, and I'm trying to find like a good drugstore eyeliner. If you have a favorite one, please let me know. I'm gonna be trying this one out today. This is the Wet n Wild Define Mega Liner Liquid Eyeliner. This one right here, and I think it's about $2.99, $3.99. I've heard it's really good. I've never actually tried it, so we're gonna give this one a try today. Another thing I picked up from Target is this NYX Butter Gloss. I got it in the shade Creme Brulee. So next thing I got was from CVS. I picked this one up. This is the Glow Boosting Bronzer in Medium Dark. I've heard this one's really good. So this is what it looks like. So that's all I got, you guys. So let's get into this simple makeup tutorial that I want to show you guys. So this is the Missha BB cream that I'm going to be using today. It's just a great overall tinted moisturizer. If you've been wanting to try a good tinted moisturizer, I honestly recommend you try this one. It's not like a full coverage type of foundation. It's just more like a very lightweight tinted moisturizer. It just does a good job to kind of just even out your skin tone and give you some sun protection. But yeah, I am in the shade 27, and it has a good amount of yellow undertone, I feel. So I just do like 2 pumps. And I just use my fingers, you guys, no need for brushes. So just spread it all out, like so. Let's move on to brows. I've been loving this e.l.f. It's like a little compact, I guess you would call it. I have it in the shade Dark. So I'm gonna go in with the gel or pomade side first, and I'm gonna fill in like the outer edges of the brows. This is a brow gel I'm using, you guys. It's from e.l.f. Again, it's only like $1.99, I want to say. It's really good, and it kind of just also helps blend in like the product. Now let's move on to concealer. It's like my go-to concealer, you guys. It is from the drugstore. It's only like $5 or so. Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable. So all I do for concealing is I just do like a couple dots like this. Oop, I think I put too much on that one. It's okay. So like that. And then I'll just put like a little bit on the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna use this Equal Tools brush to blend out the concealer, and I don't do like a triangle. I just kind of focus it like right under my eyes. Just right here, I feel like there's a little bit more like redness going on right there. And then just with my fingers, pat it in like so. And then I have a lot of redness going on around my nose, so I'm also going to just pat that in like that. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to use a little setting powder, not too much because I don't really like powders. I know a lot of people like the Laura Mercier powder, you guys, but my go-to translucent setting powder is this one. It's from Pretty Vulgar. I actually got it in a subscription box from BoxyCharm. So I'm going to use the same brush that the other side, of course, that I used for blending out the concealer, and very lightly. And then I also like tapping it on my skin. I'm going to set the under eyes like so. And then like right here where I put all that concealer, to kind of keep it in place throughout the day, and on my T-zone because that's where I tend to get very oily. Okay, so I think that's good for powder. Okay guys, so I'm going to try out the new bronzer that I picked up from Physicians Formula, and I'm going to use a little fluffy brush to kind of just define the crease and add something to the eyes. So just with the fluffy brush. There, and then I'll also use it on the sides of my nose, and then I'm just gonna pat some on the back of my hand, or my arm I should say, and just go like on the sides very lightly to kind of slim the nose down. That's that. Now I'm gonna bronze the skin. So it is pretty powdery, but that's fine, I don't mind that. And then just tap off any excess. I like the color, it's really pretty. It's like a very nice bronzy shade. Okay, so after bronzing my skin, I'm to add mascara because I completely forgot about mascara. Let's do the mascara. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm still trying this one out. I don't know if I really like it yet. So let's use this one. It's just, it can be a little clumpy sometimes. Alright, let's move on to blush. So here's the blush I'm going to use today. It's this oldie but a goodie blush. It's the Luminoso blush from Milani. I love this blush. I feel like with this blush you don't need to wear a highlighter because it just has this really pretty iridescent finish. It just gives your skin a really pretty glow, so you don't have to wear a highlighter. Of course you could do that, but I skip highlighter completely when I use this blush. Okay, like that. I love this blush. Now for lips, I am going to use the lip gloss that I just picked up from Target, the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. I mean, I think once it's blended in it looks pretty good, but I want a little color on the lips. Alright, so I think, I don't know, I don't really like this gloss on me, so I'm going to take it off. So I'm going to do this lipstick from Maybelline. It's the Touch of Spice. It looks like this. And mine is like already ruined. I think I left it in the car or something, so I'm just going to get a little bit. Yeah, I think I like that better. And I just like using my fingers so I don't pile on too much color, like so. I actually like that color a lot. Okay, so I forgot to do the liner, but I am going to do a light, not light, I mean like a thin liner. We're going to use the Wet n Wild liner. Oh, it's so hard to take out. Okay, so this is the liner. Let's open it up. Oh, it's actually a felt tip. I thought it was like, I thought it was going to be like a brush. Okay, I think that's pretty even. I'm not going to even add more because it's just going to turn into a full-on cat eye, and that's not what I want. So that's it. That's my simple makeup look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!